Well, it's morning time. Just getting loaded up here. Just got done that basement drain yesterday. And got another one today. Scores! It's just a small one. Just a small fragment today. But I got them all greased up. I dug out my shovels and my sod cutter and the big stuff.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, I don't think we'll need the sod cutter so much. We'll just leave it.
Oh, good shot.
Well, wonderful news. That pipe right there, 3 feet short. So we gotta go get a whole new pipe. That's wonderful news. That's what you want to hear. I should have just known better. That's what I should have done. Not too big of a deal today. Just got a buddy's sump pump just drains right in the middle of his yard and he wants it to drain out in the bushes. So, piece of piss. We make drain into bushes. We got the stickiest clay in Ontario here, boys. Just will not come out of the bucket. Where do you even get this from? Where does this mud even come from?
Bowels of hell, apparently.
Just crazy. Felon's happy. Hey, Felon's happy about that. So like if we put this thing in here. Okay, just we gotta make sure he doesn't just sit here and smoke cigarettes the whole time. We gotta document how it looks before.
Get out of my head.
What?
Get out of my head.
Make sure it's not doesn't look exactly the fucking same when we get back. Hey? Sakes, I can't remember stuff very good.
There's no more dirt in it.
Yeah.
It looks different.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty much what you gotta do, I think.
Yeah, I gotta do a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, but okay, see you in a bit. What a shit show. Literally 3 feet too short on the pipe ski. Boys, did you hear me? Not cool. Brought the sod cutter, but the backyard's all decked anyway, so no sense. waste your time doing that bullshit.
Right, you go ahead.
Oh, dick. Yeah, that's how they get you. That's how they get you, boys. Hey, boys, I got the pipe. Got the pipe. It's been like probably 15 minutes. So bad. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Nice.
Good?
Look how many works you did.
I know, eh?
Holy cow.
I could have just sat and had cigarettes.
Right? But you didn't.
Yeah, I didn't.
Nice.
I don't want to try and like keep it like really level. Like it's still sloping this way, obviously, but if I went to try and keep it level, I would definitely would have been like higher than it needed to be.
Had to give him stern talks about the price too. F***ing guy. He's gonna try to charge me. He was gonna try to charge me over 130. That's how you do it, boys. You just find the end of the old pipe, and you just get some fat electrical tape. Eh? Well, that's the world's safest tape right there, that kind. It'll hold in electrons. But all we needed to do is hold in a little water. No big deal. There's not even any pressure in there. It's just tooching. So, yeah. Score, sissy! Oh, Felons, Effing, and Jeffin', oh no. We're just fine-tuning the slope here. We don't want any bellies. We're not looking for bellies in the pipe. That ain't no good.
Right at the end, I got all these rocks.
Yeah, oh, I know. Same with the other end when I was trying to get that pipe out of there to tape it.
Yeah.
There's fucking boulders all around it.
Yeah.
Like, what's going on here? But this is probably some of the worst clay we've come up with. But luckily, it was only a little bit at the end that was really fighting us.
Yeah. That first job was definitely way worse.
Yeah, well, that was just a lot, right?
Yeah.
That's what we're dealing with. Like, you can't even barely friggin'. But yeah, I got welds on the inside of my bucket. I'm definitely gonna grind those off. Such a friggin' sculptor. Felon, I made you something.
Oh, nice.
Right? Look at Felon. Oh, whoop! Oh, that's terrible. What the fuck's wrong with me? Wow.
Same thing that's wrong with everybody else.
Maybe we'll just start kind of raking that out, just evening out behind me.
Okay.
I'll just, chooch it in the middle and I'll try to pack it down, and then you just kind of give her the old rake-a-peony. Yep. And by the time I get down here, good a friend.
Yeah. Do you want me to fucking throw dirt around this thing, or? Matter.
That'll be all right. Look at this for kicking the head to top off the friggin' rest of the words. Friggin' tractor's half loaded and just quit. Almost made it on the trailer.
Uh-oh.
Well, I'm pretty sure I missed the shot because they were right down to the schmittens on my battery. But yeah, I went and got that pipe and then backed up to the trailer. Didn't actually hook it onto the truck, and then pulled my tractor onto the trailer. And she wasn't hooked on enough. Smithereens anyway. I need a new one big time.
So I gotta check.
Still 1%, so that's good. Charging on hold. Charging will resume when iPhone returns to normal temperature. Oh,
I apologize.
oh, 5 missed calls. Oh, I apologize. 9 text messages, 5 missed calls. My phone's at 1%. When it will resume charging when it returns to normal temperature. Wow. I apologize. I sincerely apologize. Here, let me put. Oh man,
Just put it in the fridge.
Yeah.
Well, that's one way to do it.
Just put it in the bougie RV for a minute.
Yeah.
And see what happens. I mean, I need my GPS though. Well, I guess. I'll be
Take it right.
I'll be alright. Yeah, you be my GPS.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure I remember.
Well, that worked out lickety splendid. I got 27% now, eh? And she's nice and cool. I'm telling you right now, the bougie RV, I don't know how cars don't just come with fridges. Because, like, I mean, that's friggin' awesome.